I started this video kind of late. It's been a while since I made a video. Um, I don't want to make a video that has nothing to do with cars, since I changed how I want to produce my content. So right now, long story short, I'm working on my car. Matter of fact, here are lights of my whip. So all the interior lights of the car, just basic yellow, oranges light. And what I'm gonna do is I bought some bulbs online on ECS tuning, and I'm about to throw these LEDs in, and they're about to look like that. I haven't changed. I have some problem with the front. Some of the front bulbs are not fitting in or turning on like they're supposed to. But I'm recording this on my phone, and I just got off of work. I have to watch a bunch of videos to know how to do this. I mean, it's the same for every car guy. You know, you won't know from the jump unless some other guy does it. All right. All I know is I need a flathead screwdriver. This part is kind of a pain because you could break it. So I have to watch a video to make sure I don't break nothing. Got it. That's how I do it, folks. So that was a pain. I had to get this spring right here. I had to use a flathead to make sure I get it out correctly. If I don't, I'll break the whole plastic piece, which won't work. And now it works. So I'm gonna turn this off. Go ahead, wiggle. Let me zoom out. Go ahead, wiggle out some wire. You go ahead, pinch. Oh, sorry. Ugh. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Go ahead, pinch, top 2, boom, released. Tub up here. With this tab, you're gonna go ahead and you'll see that you're able to slide it out. So just use your thumbs and slide it out. Bulb is inside here. This is what we're gonna replace. It's kind of hard to get this out, but here there's a copper metal lining. I'm gonna use this to pry it a little bit, give it a little bit of pressure to release. All right, here's all the factory bulb. We're gonna go ahead and replace it with new LED bulb. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and do the same steps but backwards. Because this is flat, you can turn it around, and you want the LED parts facing out towards the glass. You don't want it facing any other way. So right now I'm turning it. Make sure it faces out through here. That way most of the light projects out. Repeat the same process. Go ahead and click. And then this is how you test out to make sure your lights are good. Alright, looks good. I'm gonna go ahead, tuck in the wire that I pulled out, push it in. Alright, time to repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Time to repeat the process 8 times. But different ways. Yeah, I forgot one important part. Don't forget to put these back on, which I forgot to do for both sides. So now I gotta redo the process and put them back. Time to put these babies back. Make sure you put these back. It's gonna take me like 5 minutes. I'll see you in 5 minutes. I fixed my mistake. I put those plastic covers back in. That's what it looks like. I wish I took before and after, but you know, I started recording this late. I was supposed to record this earlier, but then I forgot. So yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you order the LED light bulbs. You can order them in different ways. You can get the full package, either get the one for inside or get one just for the outside. But I ordered, I think, the whole thing. what you want to do is make sure you save your old bulbs. You're gonna need them if one of the bulbs stopped working or you lost a bulb. You're gonna want to need to keep your old OEM bulbs just in case. So I'm gonna use the same packaging and repackage them. But what I was saying before is that ACS Tuning, you can choose which package to buy your bulbs, or you can buy them individually if you like. You know, it's really up to you. You know, you have options. Who doesn't love options? Alright, so I looked. I have some other bulbs that look the same but different. I think these ones are for the license plate, the trunk, and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab my handy dandy Phillips, because that's what you're gonna. Gosh. What? Okay. So that's what you're gonna need. Perfect. All right. So that's what it looks like. Oh. All right. So we got a bulb here. Bulb here. Of course, you see your Phillips. You already know the process. You already know the dealio. I'm gonna hold it with one hand and try to unscrew it with the other hand. Call that innovation, I guess. Okay. Actually, lucky with the camera, it helps. And you know, it's I'm gonna just use two hands. So I got it out, and guess what? I didn't need to watch a video. I did it myself, and I feel pretty smart right now. But other than that, all right. Screwy 1, screwy 2, the display, and of course, the bulb. Alright, I'm standing for this. Boom. Don't lose your screws. They're kind of important, so you're going to need your screws. Or you might get screwed over. But hopefully I edit that in. Fisherman, edit that in. If it's not important. Alright, of course, I already pried it out. Look at that bulb. Look like it's seen some days. I think this is one of the bulbs that are out. One of my bulbs were out. It was probably that one. Now, with these LED bulbs, cops can see my license plate better, and they can read my plate better. So not only is it making it look good, we're also helping out the police enforcement. Take that however you want in consideration. Alright, that's right. I'm making sure they're the right ones. So, bulby, display, clickety clackety. Of course, just like the other ones, make sure you position it well. If you want, you can clean it up. Okay. Got the bulb in. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it back. Alright, so I covered up my plate, but I still light. Hold on. Ta-da! Yeah, never mind. The other side was the one that's not working, but that's what it looks like. Clean. I got a bad one. Look at that. Oof. Look at that. Yeah, so I guess this is the bad one. Unless both of them went bad. Of course, you do the same thing. Repeat the process. Unscrew, take the bulb out, put in a new one. One thing you don't want to do is lose the screw. And that's exactly what it did. It's probably somewhere under the car. But I'm going to move the car later. So, reading lights, trunk are done. I think these go under the car. Check for me, guys. Where's this the way? If you're wondering what this is, some cars have, some don't. Of course, like when you get out your car and turn it off, this turns on. Wait, this is a Phillips, whatever. Oh damn. Alright, we got some wires. Go ahead. Disconnect those bad boys. Okay, there's a pull. Perfecto. Let's take a closer look at this up on the table. Alright, I went ahead, took it apart with a flathead. The way I took it out is front part, flathead, bottom piece, flathead, and I went around with the flathead, trying to pry it, give it loose, and then I push up, and then I pulled, it came right off. Looks like we got a bulb in there. This one, I don't know how to take the bulb out. The bulb is kind of looking weird. It's kind of situated weird like that. I'm gonna see. Give me a minute. Took it out. This looks like the same bulb. Alright, I think it was upside down. This looks like it's the same bulb that they use for the front interior lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep those two. I want to keep any old OEM. And apparently these are supposed to work, but I'm having trouble trying to get them to work in the front. Hopefully they work perfectly for this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just slide it in and push it. It's seated in. Cross my fingers, it works. Did I tell you guys how I took it out? I pushed the bulb out with a flathead. I'm gonna test it out. Passenger side works, is on right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and test the LED bulb. Bruh. That's with the regular light bulb. And then LED one. Oh, perfect. Little bit of wiggle makes it fall out. The part back here, I don't know if you guys can see. So basically, this back part here, see how there's a little bit of space there. The old bulb can be pushed all the way in. This one, since the back part is a little bit thick, it won't be able to push all the way in, and you know, the thing moves a little. So I think it should be good for now, but probably over time it might come loose and it won't be working as it used to be. So just a little heads up for you guys who are trying to install this. All right, got a finished product. That boy's in. Alright, the bulb should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and close it and check the other side. Update. Your boy's happy because I got the bulb in. Damn. So I was having trouble with putting this light in because it wouldn't turn on. Well, it would if I put it in a sweet spot. So I found a sweet spot, and now it fully works. Got the middle and left. Right now I'm about to put in the passenger. After the passenger, I gotta do the rear, below the rear passenger door. I'm about to replace that, and I got 2 more bulbs, so I gotta figure out where does that go. I'll see you guys. Fun fact that I found out about my Passat. Apparently, since you know how you can put the apparently you know you can put down the sun visors right here, and you see how there's like an open gap right there. Well, I found out. Wow, isn't that cool? Hey. So basically, want to block. See how the sunlight's still coming out? Boom, a little flap. I did not know that was there until I read a video about it. So I thought it was a cool little fun fact I want to share with you guys. So, update after my last. Oh, it's windy. Update after my last update. All these lights are on, which is good. I was gonna be big sad if these bulbs weren't gonna work over here, but now I'm big happy that they work. They don't work over here on that passenger side. Wait, did I even change this one? Oh, I did. So this one's supposed to look like when you open the door at nighttime. I gotta do one last one in the rears, and still gotta find out what those 2 bulbs do. So yeah, I just bought oil because I got to oil change the truck tomorrow. Another update. I blew the fuse when I got kind of lazy trying to take the bulb out. I still had electricity plugged in, and I use big metal. And big metal touch electricity equal blown fuse. So yeah, I blown a fuse. Replaced the fuse because my windows weren't working. My lights were working. Well, my turning lights. The windows were apart. My windows were down. So I fixed it. So it's good. Right now it looks good. I'll show it to you later. Right now, I'm big hungry, big tired. Thank you. This is my TED Talk. Alright, it has been 2 days since I made a video. So right, we're gonna see how it looks like in the interior. Oh shoot, look how bright that is. Yeah, damn. Yo, that's bright. Oh, look at that. Looks like I'm getting into a new whip. Look at this. Yeah. And I mentioned again, the bottom light doesn't work, but if you open this side, you can see that the light's on. Oh, damn. Everybody can see I'm chilling in the whip. I'm so. Alright. Cool. Perfect. So, I haven't got to figuring out what those two bulbs were that I got extra. One of them could either be for a glove compartment or could be a spare, but I don't know. But I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. The update on Underrated, we have our website up, if you guys didn't know. Since I haven't been making videos, it's been up for a while. Make sure you guys follow our social media, and make sure you check out the website as well. All those will be included in the description below. Make sure you guys follow the Underrated Instagram account and my personal account, so you guys stay more updated with Underrated and the direction we're going. We are coming up with merch soon, so make sure you guys follow that social, and we'll let you guys know and update you guys on the update about merch. So thank you guys, and see you guys later.